Hi everyone, welcome to my little demonstration of how you would set up your grade books for the 2015-2016 school year with the new expectation for summative and formative categories and for percentages. So I'm here on the main page for FA Web. I'm going to try to make this pretty quick, but if I'm going too fast for you, feel free to just pause the video, but I want to respect your time by making it pretty quick here. So I'm going to go under the grade book, and I'm not going to click on it, I'm just going to mouse over it and go down to Edit Categories. Alright, now I happen to have selected here Exam 1 because I've already set up my categories for the 18-week one, and I want a blank slate to demonstrate to you. But you'll probably want to have 18-week 1 selected there, or 18-week 2 if you're watching the second semester. But under 18-week 1, you want to select the course. So I have U.S. Government selected. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this box here. This class is graded using category percentages. That's the key for getting percentages and making sure that certain categories stay certain percentages of the student's grade. In my first one, I'm going to type formative. And I'm going to skip over these things. You can do some of those if you want to. You certainly don't need to. You want to keep this at sum of assigned points. All right, it might seem like you want assignment grade averages, but that would then make all the assignments in that category of equal weight, even if the point values are very different. So a 5-point quiz would be the same as a 20-point quiz. It would just take the average of each one. For our factor, for formative, I'm going to say I want mine to be 30% for this class. So I'm going to make that a 3. If you want it to be 25%, you can put a 25. I don't think you can do a 2.5. I think you would just want to do... maybe you can. Anyway, I'm just going to do mine as a 3 for 30. And then for our next one, I'm going to say new here, the new button. And I'm going to type in summative. I keep that graded yes, sum of assigned points once again. And I'm going to make this one 7. The point is these have to be in proportion, and they have to give you percents that add up to 100. All right, so you could do 15, 85 here. I could have done 30 and 70 for that matter, or 300 and 700, I think. But anyway, that's how it works. Now I hit save. And now I'm all set with U.S. Government. Now you might wonder, can you make subcategories here? Can you have formative quiz, formative homework as separate categories? And the answer is yes, you can, but they're not going to, those are then separate categories, and you have to decide what percentage you would want those to be. Would you want formative quizzes to be 15% and formative homework to be another 15%? There's no way just to kind of lump them all together, the points within those two categories, to make that 30. You'd have to divide them and decide what percentage. So for me, I'm just keeping them formative and summative, and the assignment names will indicate it, whether it's a homework assignment or a quiz, I guess. All right, so I'm hit save, and if you want to copy, you can hit this button up here, copy from. So if I wanted to select my next one, I could go copy from, and then again I'm going to exam 1. You would probably stick with 18-week 1, and I'm going to copy from my other I think I already messed this up, so yeah, there we go. I already had something there, so it only copied 1, but yeah, I didn't start with a blank slate in this class for that. So that's some of the basics of how you would do it. You can also, of course, go up here to this option under Gradebook, copy categories and assignments, and you can do more of like a mass copying from one to multiple other classes. And if you need help with that, let me know and I'll gladly help you with that. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, if you're interested in knowing how to make little videos like this for your students, so your students can see your screen and your beautiful face, then let me know and I can help you with that too. All right, everybody take care. I'll see you.